Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the extended long-range antenna copper rod radiator, designed for 433 MHz devices. If you've ever struggled with weak signals on your garage door opener, smart home sensors, or baby monitors, this is the kind of gadget that could make a real difference. This antenna is built specifically for the 433 MHz frequency band, which is widely used across a range of low-power devices. That means whether you're trying to extend the range of a garage door opener or boost the signal for a smart sensor, this antenna is engineered to handle it. It comes with a 3-meter coaxial cable, complete with an SMA male connector, and also includes RPSMA and F male adapters, so it can connect directly to your device without needing additional adapters. The core of the antenna is made from pure copper, which ensures high transmission and reception efficiency. The design is compact yet durable. Measuring roughly 6.5 inches in height with a base for wall mounting, it's easy to install and can be placed indoors or outdoors. Its wall mount design keeps things stable, and the antenna can perform reliably even under extreme conditions. From -50 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. Its vertical polarization and omnidirectional radiation pattern mean that it can capture signals from all directions, improving reception sensitivity across the board. What's really appealing is its versatility. Beyond garage door openers, it's suitable for use with signal boosters, range extenders, baby monitors, and other smart home devices that operate on the 433 MHz frequency. Essentially, if your device communicates wirelessly on this band, this antenna can help extend its reach and reliability. From a practical standpoint, the 3-meter cable gives you a lot of flexibility in placement, so you can optimize signal strength without being constrained by the location of your device. Whether you need to mount it near a window, in the garage, or outside, the cable length and connector compatibility make it easy to work with. Overall, the extended long-range antenna copper rod radiator is a focused, no-nonsense solution for anyone looking to enhance the range and reliability of 433 MHz devices. Its pure copper construction, multiple connector options, and weather-resistant design make it a strong choice for both residential and light commercial setups. That's it for today's product critique. If you're struggling with weak 433 MHz signals or just want to make sure your devices are performing at their best, this antenna is definitely worth a closer look. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest product breakdowns and reviews. See you in the next one.